Welcome to YannYOga. Thank you for staying with me. We are here at Coral Cove, Hamilton Island. Svarga Dvijasana can feel out of reach with your tight hips, shaking balance or tangled thoughts. Don't worry, this yoga flow are here to break down the pose step by step. Building balance, flexibility and hip mobility without forcing the body. See you on your mat when you're ready. Hello everyone, we're going to begin in Supta Baddha asana, bending both knees and lying on your back. Inhale, feel the torso sinking. Exhale, relax your hip flexor. Invitation to use your block underneath your knees for support. Soft breathing here to opening the hips. Using each exhalation to help you soften. Inhale, one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Exhale fully. Deep inhale, maybe think about your intentions for today's practice. Thank yourself for coming back to YannYOga. Gently, we're gonna roll up into Navasana. Using the momentum, on the next roll out, we're gonna stay in Navasana. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, sinking your glutes. Inhale, point your feet, pull your kneecaps. Exhale, relax your arms to the side. Beautiful, guys. Come into your Brahmanasana for Ekapada Shroni Chakra. Inhale, kick your left leg back. Exhale to the side. Inhale, kicking back, bend your knees. Exhale to the side. Few more times in your own pace. Inhale, navels in. Beautiful. Exhale, maybe dropping your left glutes. Well done, guys. It's a great pose to strengthen our leg, our maximal gluteus. Next, exhale, pop your left leg with your hand, right leg back and twist towards the left side. Parivirta Uttita Ashwasanchalan Asana. Inhale, open your chest, left hand to the sky. Exhale, now we twist towards the other side, right hand to the sky. Back feet are tucked. Strong left hamstring here. Well done, guys. Next, exhale, lower our torso, transitions into Uttan Pristhasana, Hasta Vimana, under your knees. Continue to tuck your back feet. Inhale, back feet come closer to you as we transition to Svarga Dviyasana. Left arm under your front thigh. Opposite arm gonna come towards your other hand and we're gonna bind together. Gently bend your right knee and come to a stand. Inhale, kick your left feet to the sky. Svarga Dvijasana. Stay here for 10 full breaths. Beautiful, guys. Keeping your left leg towards the chest. Next, inhale, kick your left leg in front of you. Both hands to the sky. Uttita Ekapadasana. Exhale, drop your left leg back. Keeping both legs straight. We're gonna drop our left hand to the earth and twist towards the right into Trikonasana, Parivirta Trikonasana. Square your hip, left hip forward, right hip back. Gently lower your right hand down, left hand to the sky, both feet meet together into Vashisthasana. Strong right arm. Heels are stacked together. Exhale and release, and let's do a vinyasa flow. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, push the hip high into Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Pedal your feet. Bend one knee at a time. We're gonna take a pause. Option to bend both knees, slight bend. Put both knees down into Brahmanasana again. For Shroni Chakra. Inhale, right, kick your right leg back. Exhale to the side. Inhale, bend your knee, kick back, navels in. Exhale, bend your knee and drop it to the side. One more time. Inhale, bend and kick back, pushing the floor away. Exhale, lower your right glutes. Feel the right hip opening here. One more time. Exhale, drop it in beside the hand. Tuck your back toes. Prepare for Parivirta Uttita Ashwasanchalan Asana. Inhale, right hand to the sky, twist towards the right. Exhale, strong left armpit. Swap side. This time, right hand down, left hand to the sky. A great counter pose here as we continue to strengthen our right hamstring. Beautiful, guys. Now we're gonna float our hands into our flying positions. Hasta Vimana in Uttan Pristhasana. Sinking your hip as much as possible. Next inhale, back leg low, closer to you. Right hand under your front thigh. Opposite hand, we're gonna come into a bind. Gently come to a stand into Svarga Dvijasana. Left leg hand slight bend to control your balance. Inhale, pull your right knee up, straighten or slight bend off your top leg. Well done, guys. Keeping your legs where they are, release your hand, maybe hugging your right knee towards you. As much as possible, keep your balance. We're going to transition into Uttita Ekapadasana. Kick your right leg parallel to the earth. Strong right hip flexor. Exhale, we drop it behind you. Left hip back, right hip forward. Exhale, we drop your right knee. Inhale, left hand to the sky into Parivirta Trikonasana. Feel the stretch on your left hamstring. Exhale, release. Stack your legs together. We twist towards the right side into Vashisthasana. Strong left armpit. Inhale, right hand to the sky. Push your hip upwards. Exhale, release. Beautiful, guys. Gently bring both legs in front of you. Exhale, we're gonna anterior tilt your pelvis. Palm out, arch your back as you lower yourself, meeting your knees, forehead to the earth or towards the knee. Invitation to use a block in between your legs to rest your forehead. Paschimottanasana. Beautiful, guys. If you feel called to do anything else, you're most welcome to do now. Otherwise, I will meet you in Shavasana. I will call you when it is time. Gently bring awareness to your body, moving your fingers, toes. Give yourself a good stretch. When you're ready, we're going to come up in sitting positions. No rush. I hope today's flow helped you achieve the peak pose into Svarga Dvijasana. Inhale, both hands rise to the sky. Exhale, we bow forward. Thank you everyone who practiced with me. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed the practice. Don't forget to check the posts I pinned above. Sending you love and love.